Hello everyone, I am Suchita Muri. Welcome you all in the video lecture on the topic of matrices, consistency of system of equations part 1. Learning objective of this video, student can understand the concept of consistent and inconsistent of equations, and by using this concept and knowledge they can test the consistency of system of equation and solve the examples. Important point regarding the simultaneous linear equation. If we consider two equations, then we solve these equations by elimination method. That means in this equation, suppose we added these two equations, then we get the value of x equal to 3. And if we subtract these two equations, then we get the value of y equal to minus 1 by 3. That means one value of x and one value of y, therefore unique solution. And if we plot these 2 points in xy plane, then these two lines intersect at the point 3 comma minus 1 by 3. That means x equal to 3, y equal to minus 1 by 3. Now we consider another set of equations. If we divide second equation by 2, then we get first equation. That means these two equations are same, and when we finding the values of x and y, there are infinite number of solutions because x equal to 1 suppose, then y equal to another value, x equal to 2 we get another set of value of y. In this way we can substitute x equal to 1 to infinite number of value, then we get different values of y. Therefore, if we get here infinite number of solution, if we plot these two lines in xy plane, these two lines represent only by one line only. Now we consider third set of equations. If we eliminate here x variable, then multiply first equation by 2 and subtract this, then x variable and y variable both are cancelled. That means we cannot solve this, that there is no solution. If we plot these two lines in xy plane, these two lines are not intersect each other, they are parallel to each other. Now this concept of unique solution, infinite number of solutions and no solution in the form of consistency and inconsistency of the system of equations. Consistent. A system of equation is said to be consistent if they have one or more solutions. That means unique or infinite number of solutions. Inconsistent. If a system of equation has no solution, it is said to be inconsistent. Consistency, we consider here m number of solutions of equations and we write down this equation in the form of ax into b. Then we write down augmented matrix C, which is equal to, first we write down A matrix and then B matrix, and reduce this matrix to upper triangular form by using row operation, and then find out the rank of the matrix A and rank of the matrix C. For consistency, we are using here concept of rank. Consistent equation. If rank of A equal to rank of C, then there are two possibilities. First is rank of A equal to rank of C equal to number of unknowns. Then system has unique solution. Secondly, if rank of A equal to rank of C, which is less than number of unknowns, then system has infinite number of solutions. That means if rank of A equal to rank of C, then there are two possibilities. First is unique solution and second is infinite number of solutions. Inconsistent equations, that means if the rank of A is not equal to rank of C, then system has no solution. Now we apply this concept for solving the examples. Example number 1, test for consistency and solve these equations. Now first we consider the given equations. We write down this equation in the matrix form A into x equal to B. The augmented matrix C equal to A. First we write down A matrix and then B. And reduce this matrix to upper triangular form. Now in second row, first column, here one element, therefore first we interchange R1 and R2 for which will be easy for reducing to upper triangular form. Therefore we interchanging this, and then by row operation we reduce this to upper triangular form. Now here we forming 0 in first column by using R1. That means here we forming 0. Therefore, operations are R2 changes to R2 minus 2 times R1 and R3 changes to R3 minus 3 times R1. Now, then we get this, and we forming 0 in second column by using R2. This is the operation. Then we get these terms, and here diagonal elements are 1, 5 and 0. Now rank of C is here number of non-zero rows 1, then 2 and 3. Therefore rank of C equal to 3. Now here we find out the rank of A. Rank of A equal to here first row, then second row. Here third row is completely 0. Therefore rank of A equal to 2. Then rank of C equal to 3, rank of A equal to 2. That means these two ranks are not equal. Therefore, the equations are not consistent. That means inconsistent, and system has no solution. In this way, for inconsistency, we apply the concept of rank here, and we find out, test the consistency or inconsistency of the equations. Now we discuss another example, test for consistency and solve the equation. Consider the given equation, then we write down this equation in matrix form, that means A into X equal to B, and then augmented matrix C is given by AB. Now this is the matrix. Now here this one in third row first column, here one element is there, therefore we interchanging R1 and R3. Then we get this. Now we forming 0 in first column by using R1. Therefore, these are the row operations. R2 changes to R2 minus 2 times R1 and R3 changes to R3 minus 3 times of R1. Now we get this. Then we forming 0 in second column by using R2. Therefore, operation is this. Now here minus 7 and minus 5, that means sign is same. Therefore, we write down here, subtract the values. If the sign are different, then we write down here in operation plus 1. Now, find out the rank of the matrix. This is the upper triangular form. These are the diagonal elements. All elements below this diagonal are 0. Therefore, rank of C equal to here number of non-zero rows 1, 2 and 3. Now we find out, therefore rank of C is 3. Now we find out the rank of A. A is this matrix. Number of non-zero rows again 3. Therefore rank of A equal to rank of C equal to 3 equal to number of unknowns. Unknowns means X, Y and Z. Therefore here the equations are consistent and therefore system has unique solution. Now we find out the values of x, y, z. We write down in the form of a into x equal to b form. We simplify these three equations and find out the values of x, y, z. Now from third equation, first we find out the value of z, z equal to 1. Then we substitute this value of z in second equation, find out the value of y, and then we substitute y and z value in first equation and find out x value. These x, y, z values are these. Therefore, x equal to 1, y equal to 2 and z equal to 1, which are the required values of x, y, z. In this way, we simplify the problems of consistency. That means we can test the consistency of the system of equation and find out the solution. In this first part, we discuss the inconsistent equation solution and unique solution. Now, in second part, we will discuss infinite number of solutions. Thank you.